take a look at this video.
Ain't got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along.
If you've been seeing content like this recently, you're not alone. Passive income has become all the rage on the internet. Understandably so. Who wouldn't want to wake up wealthier than when they went to bed, having made money while they slept? But the question remains, is all of this talk of being paid to lie on the beach just a big hoax? Is passive income real? And my short answer is no. No, you cannot generate passive income without any upfront investment. But hang on to that last word, investment. And I'm not just talking cash. Because in order to make money while you're eating, sleeping, or smashing the like button, you either need to make an upfront investment of your money or your time. See, the opposite of passive income is active income. Active income is your typical trading time for money job. You're typically charged an hourly rate and you know what to expect for the amount of work you're doing. Active income is a great tool, and I have my own stream of it too. I made a video about it up here. The problem is, outside of your work hours, the money stops coming in. So if you have spare time with little money, spare money with little time, or you're somewhere in between, I have something for all. I present unto you Ryan's Ideas 3 for passive income. Idea the first is actually one that we should all be striving to put our money towards as soon as we can to start generating passive income. I'm talking about dividend investing. A dividend is a certain amount of money paid out by some companies to their investors simply for being shareholders. As an example, let's say you put $100 today into AT&T, which is a company that's historically returned some of the highest dividends. With their average dividend return rate of 7.8%, in a year from now, you'd have $7.80 extra simply for owning that investment. If you reinvest the dividends you receive, you'll be able to get the dividend snowball rolling a lot faster, and you can make some serious money off dividend investing. On the Calorian scale of convenience, dividend investing is going to receive a 10 out of 10 for time efficiency. This is about as passive as you can get with your income. It's almost no maintenance time, and it's very easy to get started. On the startup cost, dividends are going to receive a 3 out of 10. It's not that you need a lot of money to get started with dividends, but if you want to see serious returns, you're going to need to put in a good investment. My second idea is for those somewhere in the middle where they can put in a little bit of time and a little bit of money. And that is, get your hands on one of these. If you put one in a high traffic area where lots of people walk by, vending machines can make great returns selling cheap, convenient snacks. And you don't have to start with a big vending machine either. I recommend starting with a coin-operated candy machine. These machines are easy to use, simple to manage, and can bring you a good amount of change on your investment. This might actually be a sneak peek into something I'm doing in the future. If I can find a good deal on one of these candy machines, I'll try to get the business up and running, so subscribe because you don't want to miss that. For time efficiency, vending machines are going to receive a 6 out of 10. Once you've set them up and they're running, you only need to check back about once a week to collect your change and restock. For startup costs, they're going to receive a 5 out of 10. You do need to buy the machine, and you'll need to stock up on more snacks so you can refill it. The third passive income source I have for you today is one that you can start with absolutely no money, just some of your spare time. You're actually watching me do it right now, and that is YouTube. There's no startup cost if you already have a phone and an internet connection, and you can start growing your channel today. I should warn you though, this one is not for everyone. Growing on YouTube can take a long time, and you don't start receiving any ad revenue until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. The main reason I do YouTube isn't for the money, it's because I enjoy making videos. Once I do start making money, that'll just be an extra bonus. On the Calorian scale of convenience, YouTube is going to receive a 9 out of 10 for startup costs. You don't need anything to start except your phone and the internet. For time spent on YouTube, it's going to be a 2 out of 10, but don't let that deter you, because if you enjoy it, then it's not going to feel like work. Let's recap. You can totally make passive income while vacationing in Singapore, but it's going to take an upfront investment of either your time or your money. Dividend stocks are great if you want to make the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. Vending machines or other automated sales systems are great if you want to make higher returns for a bit more time. And if you don't want to put in any money, but you want to start making that sweet, sweet passive income, make a YouTube channel. But the important thing is to not limit yourself to just one. If you have some extra cash from your vending machine / YouTube channel, put it into some dividend stocks, and start seeing that passive income generate while you sleep. Thanks for watching. I'm going to give you 2 choices right now. Watch my last video to avoid 4 common YouTube mistakes, or hit the like button. What are you going to choose? I don't know, but you better decide fast because the video ends in 3, 2, 1.